Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is second video of passing an FTMO challenge. I'll bring you with me during this process. I'll show you everything, how I manage my trade, how much I risk, and so on. Also my mistake. But before starting this video, I'm here to tell you that I'm making these videos exactly to make you understand how, with the right mentality, the right concepts behind, okay, if you know what you do in the market, you can pass any phase you want, and you only need that 50k account, that 100k account to start changing literally your life. So I'll let you to the video. Okay, in the description you will find my FX book, you will find my Instagram. Okay, you can follow me there. I will post the FTMO account so that you can see the certificate and so on. You will find the link to the Telegram group, okay, in case you would like to join. And of course, if you want, okay, this is, I'm just telling you, if you want to learn how I trade, okay, and the way I pass the prop firms, okay, and so on, we have a full program, okay, also for our English people, where I follow you step by step. I explain you all the concept, and then we go and grab a prop firm together where I follow you, okay, and of course the main goal is to become founded and take your first payout. Of course this is not free, okay, I'm just saying this is an extra for the people who would like to take a shortcut, would like to actually learn how these trading things actually works. You can join us, okay. Again, this has a price, we're not doing it for free, but just to let you understand, just to let you know. And of course, as you probably know, we have more than 100 students in our academy. This is only for Italian people, but yeah, they are changing completely the way they look at the market every day. Okay, so just to let you know, we are doing it also for English, for our English friends. But anyways, I'll leave you to the video. Everything you will find in the description. Let me know if you want me to continue, okay, if you want me to go more in detail, what you want me to improve about it, and of course support the video, and I'll see you later. People, it's a good morning, welcome back to the channel, and let's jump immediately with part 2, where I bring you with me passing a prop firm, passing an FTMO 200k challenge. This is part 2, okay, so for who didn't see or miss the first video of part 1, I suggest to go and have a look so you will understand what we are doing, where we are at the moment, what's the situation, and so on. And yeah, so last time, okay, so we finished on Thursday, we were up around 7% in 3 days. We start this challenge on Tuesday, and today it's Friday. Yeah, you can see here it's Friday, live market, of course, and we are currently inside USD/JPY long. Yeah, so we are starting the day in a good way. We had this good push, target of course up here. Okay, so now there is one problem of today. It's Friday, there is a lot of news, okay, and normally I try to avoid trading a lot during news time because the market might be, you know, a bit crazy. If I show you, for example, yeah, EU, okay, we have a whipsaw, and you know, I'm not really a fan of this type of daily cycle, if I have to be honest with you. Even GU, I don't know why it doesn't show my Asia, but we also have a huge whipsaw. So yeah, I don't like it at all. So I'm just hoping this UJ will go fast to TP, and then for today I will be already done, if I have to be honest with you. But with this trade I should go up to, let me just check real quick. Yeah, around 172, 171 and something. Yeah. So we need to make 16k to pass, so we will only need around 4k, all right, to pass the first phase. And yeah, we are taking it slow, we are taking it easy, we are not risking that much capital per trade. So you know, just to make sure that everything will be good. Otherwise, I could risk already 2% per trade and pass it already, right? But that's not the point of the series that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to show you how you can come every day at the market, try to analyze, try to take your trade, manage your emotions. You see, even today, take some rules on your trading plan. You know, for example, me, I don't trade that much if I'm on news period, and so on. Yeah, or if I see some types of daily cycle like you or GU today, I tend to just leave it there and just don't trade for the whole day. Okay, so that's the point of these videos. Anyways, I will update you guys if we arrive to TP, okay, on UJ, and then I think I will see you on Monday. Yeah. So on Monday, hopefully, if this trade will go to TP, we will just need around 2 to 3 trades, and then we should be able to pass phase one. Okay, so hopefully, for sure, I think next week we will pass it. Okay, and yeah, that's all for now, guys. I will keep you updated. It will pass 3 days for me, for you nothing, but yeah, let's see. Okay, so I'm confident, pretty confident about this trade. Let's see. Okay, guys, it's the end of the day. Today we did pretty good, so now I'm gonna tell you what happened, right? Because you remember I told you I was long on UJ, and I told you I don't trade a lot. I try to avoid news, but yeah, that's why. I just made one trade until the news was out, and then I traded after the news. So let me explain you the situation, right? First, I was long on UJ, okay? We went up here. I managed to took a little partial, okay, because yeah, we took out this. So after the price start to just go up and down, you see we are creating huge crazy support resistance right here. Okay, so I was pretty sure, but then I remember I was like, okay, there is news, so right, be careful. So the news just dropped to the downside. Okay, so we managed to took like just a little bit because I put also at break even and it took me out some, so I got stopped out actually because of the spread and whatever. But it's okay, we didn't lose that much. We could have do so much better, to be honest. We could have avoid this. I'm also showing you my mistake, right? So you can also see and learn. I should have exit this trade before the news. Okay, that's very simple to be honest. Okay, I didn't respect this. Okay, I'm supposed to leave before the news is out, even if I'm sure, right, of my analysis, but still it's still a news. So that's exactly what happened. The price dumped down. Okay, but then okay, this happened, and I was very very happy because I was pretty damn sure that the price was going to eat that candle again. Okay, so let me show you very quick. So easy. The price dumped with the news, but remember, we are longing, okay? We are in an uptrend. The price dump, make an F pause, and guess what? Blueberry bounce, okay? Who is in the community knows exactly what is this. And that was just crazy. It was so clean, okay, that I took a trade here, okay, and I exit here. Okay, that was just a quick scalp. Even if I was pretty sure the price was going up here, but I wanted to recover the loss I took because I got stopped out, like, for example, a year, I think. and my break even was something like that. Okay, so it was not that big, but still I wanted to recover that loss. Okay, and then I re-enter here and I re-enter here. I got 2 TPs. Okay, and in the end I even re-entered when we took out this on my broker. There is a sweep, so I re-enter here, okay, because there was a sweep here, and then of course was a bit too late. The news moved a lot. We moved a lot of liquidity. So when the price came down here, I triggered my entry, okay, and then we went to break even, of course, because it was a trap. And yeah, the price just managed to go up and down in the end, and now you see we're on the live market. It's finished. So for now, I will maybe leave you a screenshot of the MetaTrader of how are we with the prop firm. Okay, and hopefully on Monday we can manage to pass already phase 1. Okay, so that we can close the first chapter and go immediately with the second phase. But of course I will still take my time. If there is no setup, nothing, I will not take anything or whatever. So we're still using the same amount of execution and the same amount of percentage per trade. Okay, then when we're gonna jump on the second phase, okay, I will show you. I will even probably risk a bit less, okay, because the first phase you can go ahead, you can risk a bit more. It's 10%. So it's true, you put money in, but you also need to pass, you cannot stay 1 year to pass only the first phase. Okay, so you can risk a bit more. The second phase you have to take it a bit more serious, because then it's only 5%. Literally, you can do that in a couple of days or whatever. Okay, so but anyways, I will show you when we are here. So guys, I will see you basically Monday. Okay, for you, of course, not even in 1 second, but yeah, I will have a good weekend, and then we will see on Monday if we have anything. Probably on JPY. I took a trade also on Nasdaq today, but I exit. I took the long here, and the price came down, break even, and then it went up again. It was pretty nice, was pretty clean, but also Nasdaq was very nice today. But that's all for today, and yeah, we see immediately on Monday how it is. Guys, welcome back. Oops, what is happening? Today it's Monday, so new week. Let's keep going with this series. And today I have to tell you that we passed our first phase, FTMO 200K. Okay, so just a quick reminder to do a quick recap. We start on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. Today it's Monday. We already passed the first phase. We did 10%. Risking very normal, so nothing too like crazy, you know what I mean? But today I didn't record any live video, yeah, because I didn't have time at all. In fact, when the second phase they will give me, I will start trading it probably on Wednesday, I believe, because yeah, I think in these days I will not be available because of some travel and these type of things. But let's do a quick recap of today, and then we can already close the first chapter. So of course I will show you everything and so on. So today I took 4 trades, okay, to pass the phase. The first one was on UJ, okay, it was a buy and was here. So now you will tell me how come. Well, I'm staying currently in an Asian country, okay, so when I woke up here, like around 11, it's that time, okay, so I saw this opportunity. For me, it was very clear because we are reacting from an SMT, okay, and then we have, yeah, always same thing, a cycle completion. With other confluences for my entry, made with the AMAs potentially. And yeah, I took the first trade, but okay, that's why you remember I just need only little bit to pass the prop. I missed the lot size. I miss completely the lot size because instead of putting 10, okay, 10 lot, I mistake for 0.1. I didn't even notice, okay, and yeah, that happened. The price went up, it went to my TP, but whatever, let's forget about it. So yeah, that was a mistake. So as you know, I'm showing you also my mistake. Second trade of the day, I took a long in the morning that I could have avoided, to be honest with you. So I saw this fake break of structure for me. I didn't even have an actual entry model. My entry was very aggressive. So if I would have wait for an entry model approach, like something more safe, normal, not that aggressive, I would have easy uh, I mean, not taking this stop loss. You know what I mean? But yeah, so after the morning started in a kind of a bad way because you know I took a stop loss here. This trade didn't make me like $10, right? So after this bad morning, I took EU. Okay, I took the long on EU. Was very clear. Of course, from when it's clear, basically from here. Okay, who is with me knows exactly why. Unluckily, I cannot go into much detail with the cycle, okay, of liquidity, but that's so clean. There's literally entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here, and entry here. Okay. So this trade went good. Okay, so I just recover the loss. I use a little lot size as well also here because we are so close to pass, you know, so I didn't push that much. And then last trade of the day, it's a UJ sell. Okay, also very clean after my FBOSS is invalidated, right? I'm just following my cycle again. And yeah, I took another entry. Oh, here, that was perfect. You see, we are in a clean trap zone. Asia low. We are making our FBOSS. Bam, here we have our entry approach. Of course, our TP was here. And bam, smash it immediately at 12. And you see, right now, it's not even New York. We're on the live market, and yeah, we already passed the prop firm. So that was not. I mean, was okay week. Okay, was a very good week actually, if I have to be honest. Um, I wanted to show you with this video again my process and how, with the right approach, you can pass any file challenges that you want. So of course, again, all the links are in the description. If you want to join or whatever, okay, just text me, follow me on Instagram. I will post the certificate on FTMO, okay, on Instagram, so follow me there. And yeah, just give a like to this video, comment if you want me to continue with the second phase, what you want me to improve, if you want me to go more in detail, whatever. Just let me know. Let me know if you want me to create also an English Telegram, okay, where I keep you updated. But already on my Instagram stories, I do everything in English so that everybody can understand. But yeah, guys, keep supporting this channel, please. Is the only thing we ask. And I'll see you to the next. Let me know if you want me to continue, and of course we will continue with the second phase. See you to the next.